Welcome to Forex Mentor Weekly Forex Forecast. From now, every week I will upload a weekly Forex forecast videos for you. So now let's jump to the chart. So before we start the forecast, kindly like, subscribe and click the bell icon for the future videos. So let's start. So you see this is the EURUSD chart. So as I told you last week that the price may test this level before go downwards. So price move is expected. So what will be the next move? The next move of the EURUSD may be price create some corrective structure over here before going downwards. So all my view about the EURUSD is downside down move. So these are my targets for the down moves. So this is the GBPUSD chart. As I told you in last week that the price may test these level before go upwards. So price move is expected. So what will be the next move? The next move of the pound USD is price may create some corrective structure over here to further go down to check this point or this level before start this impulsive wave. So all my view about the pound USD is downside down move. So this is the USD yen. So in a USD yen, after a beautiful impulsive down wave, price may test this level or creating ABC pattern before go downwards. So what will be the next move? The next move after impulsive move, price may test this level or test this level before go down. So wait for the price action over this area or this area to trigger short trades. So all my view about the USD yen is downside down move. So this is the Kiwi USD. After a beautiful upward trend, price is now taking some rest over these areas and rejected from these areas. So now what will be the next move? The next move of the Kiwi USD is the support now turn into resistance and price hit these level multiple times to reject and go back to downside. So price may test this level again before go down. So my longer term target about the Kiwi USD are these areas. So my overall view about the Kiwi USD is downside down move. So this is the Aussie New Zealand chart. As I told you previous week that price may test this level again before go down and the price was moving as expected. So what will be the next move? The next move is price may test this level again or break this level or to test this level before go down. So my longer term targets about the Kiwi New Zealands are these. This is my first target and this is my second target. So wait for the price action over these areas before go down. So all my view about the Aussie New Zealand is downside down move. So this is the gold chart. As I told you previous week that price may test this level before go down and the price was moving as expected. So now what will be the next move? The next move of gold is the price may test this level and maybe creating some rejection candles over here before go down or break this level to test this level before go down. So my longer term targets about the gold are these areas. So all my view about the gold is downside down move. So this is the weekly Forex forecast. I am Forex Mentor signing off.